So we are on the third step, which is branding. And so I'm going to talk you through that. The branding is one of my favorite parts of marketing because for me, it's so much more than what your brand looks like, what fonts you use. It's really about how you come across to your customers, how your customers want you want them to feel about your business. And so I like starting with an exercise, and I've actually put a link to it here, which takes you through to the Inkie website. And there's an exercise where you can find your brand pillars. And so you basically just have a download this, which is a list of all of adjectives that you can use to describe your business. And there's a little activity that you basically go through and select the ones that feel most aligned with the business. And then you whittle it down until there's 4 left. And that's a really nice way of starting your branding. Obviously, Inkie will talk you through, the app will talk you through all the questions if you want them. But again, we've got this AI hack here. So if you want to just copy and paste that into your existing AI, you can. And I've done this earlier. So I've got one ready. And so this is my brand guidelines. So I'm just going to scoop all of those up, copy them, and paste into here. I'm going to press go. The onboarding stages are with you as while you're doing the onboarding step, but after that they disappear, so you can come back and edit your brand guide at any time. One thing that I keep forgetting to say is that you can't make any mistakes. You can just type. If you get stuck, ask questions. It's really important that you're not precious about anything at this point, because everything is editable. You can go back and change anything at any point. So it's really just should be an enjoyable exercise for you to get to know your business better. And so this is just saying that I've done enough. Would I prefer to use I, we, Sophie, or how gets missing? This is quite important because this is how it will structure all of your socials. For me, a smaller brand, this pretend business that I've done is a small brand, so I just want it to be me and I. And then hopefully that'll be enough to complete. See, it's probably got some more. So now it's asking for the 4 words, but I'm just going to say that's it for now. I've finished. Please save. There we go. So that's done. I'm going to click done to close that. And there we have it. That section is complete.